Hi guys, my name is Irina, it's M&I Travels and More tutorial, and today we are going to show you how to remove background noise on Filmora 8 from your video. Stay with us. Now, first of all we have to open our Filmora project. Then click import and look for the file that you would like to download. So pick the video of your choice, import it onto Filmora. And bring it onto your timeline. So after bringing you onto your timeline, right click, go to edit, click, and now go to audio in the right corner of the middle of your page. Click on it, and now we are going to remove the background noise. Now click OK and click Save. And you are ready to go. That's how easy it is.